So hi everyone, it's Jordan right back here, and in this video we are going to be looking at continuation chart patterns. Just like we did for reversal chart patterns, we are going to be looking at this in brief. So continuation chart patterns are those chart patterns which occur in the market and the market continues in its current trend. So for example, if it was an uptrend and then you get this continuation pattern, the uptrend just resumes. Okay, so we have the ascending triangle, descending triangle, the symmetrical triangle, we have a bullish pennant, a bearish pennant, rectangles, and you see. So right here we are going to be looking at the wedge first. So we have this falling wedge. A falling wedge is a continuation chart pattern which occurs in an uptrend. So what happens for a wedge to happen is that you get this sharp rise in price. If the price has been on a downtrend and then you get this sharp rise in price, so what happens is that the bears will try to convert the price to go back into their direction, but when it fails, it falls this up and down trend line which tend to converge, and then the bears fail to be successful, so the bulls push the price up and we get a break and retest and then catch the wave up. So on a falling wedge, it happens on an uptrend. Okay, so the uptrend is presuming and then we get this wedge pattern. So if you didn't watch the video about this wedge, I recommend you go and watch it. So after that, you can get a break and then retest, and then we get our continuation into the uptrend. But what happens is that the market is coming from a downtrend, then you get this sharp rise in the price and then followed by this wedge formation. So on this wedge formation, okay, we can get a break and then sometimes a retest or no retest. So we can use the break or the breakout strategy. So we can use the breakout strategy or the break and retest strategy. So you can see that right here we have a sharp rise in price. So after forming this switch, we get a breakout. So this was our entry point. So here you make a buy stop order, put your stop loss, and then be able to catch the wave up. So the next one is a rising wedge, and this one occurs in a downtrend and it is a continuation pattern. So when you have a downtrend, okay, and then you get this rising wedge, it means that the price will come and then break out and then continues. So you can see that right here it happened. So the price here was on a clear downtrend, and then here bulls try to change the price, but because of this, here you have the lows are increasing, but the highs are not increasing the way they are supposed to increase in an uptrend, stuff like this. Okay, so when that happens, it shows that the bulls are unsuccessful in their journey to push the price higher, and what happens is that the bears take off and then push the price out. So this was our sell stop order, and then we could be able to catch the wave down. So in recap, the rising wedge occurs on a downtrend. So you get your rising wedge. So when the price breaks out, you make your sell stop order. Sometimes it can make a retest or no retest, and then you get a wave down. But in these continuations, I don't recommend waiting for retests. So the next one is the bullish triangle, and just like its name, it shows a bullish continuation. So it occurs on an uptrend, and then you get this consolidation. This consolidation is short term and it forms this triangle chart pattern. So we get a breakout. So we make our entry point. So we might better is not to wait for the retest, or sometimes you can wait for a retest and then be able to catch the wave up. So just like you're seeing here, after the price breaks out, so you could put your buy stop order right here, then put a stop loss, and then you catch the wave up. So the next one is a bearish triangle, and just like the name, the bearish triangle is a bearish continuation chart pattern. It occurs on a downtrend. The price is on a clear downtrend, then it tends to rest and forms this short-term consolidation. But then what happens is that the price breaks out of this rectangle in the bearish move. Sometimes you have a retest, sometimes no retest. So you can see that right here, if you entered your by order, put a stop loss, you can see the price tended to go away from you, but after the retest, the price still is going to come down. So it occurs on a downtrend, then a short-term consolidation, then a break, sometimes retest, and then you catch the wave down. So the next one is what we call the bullish pennant. This spelling is wrong. It's supposed to be A. So the bullish pennant is almost similar to the symmetrical triangle, but for it, it is somehow short, and then it occurs when you see that the price gets a sharp rise, and then it tends to decrease a little, and then you form this pennant. So here they converge completely. So after this breakout out of the pennant, we could put our buy stop order. Okay, so it occurs on an uptrend. What happens is that the price is coming from a downtrend. There's a sharp rise in price, and then the bears try to push the price down, and then you could be able to form this small pennant and then catch the wave up. So this one is similar to a symmetrical triangle, and the basic difference is one is that this one is quite smaller. So that is how we trade the bearish pennant. We wait for a breakout of the pennant, put a buy stop, and then catch the wave up. If you didn't watch the video about the pennants, I recommend you go back and watch them. So we have the bearish pennant, and it occurs on a downtrend. You can see that here the price was on an uptrend, then we get this sharp drop. At that sharp drop, the bulls try to push the price up, but they are unsuccessful, and therefore it leads to formation of this pennant. So after the breakout, we could put our breakout strategy entry point from there as a sell stop and be able to catch the wave down. So price is going high, and then it tends to look like it's going high, but it is not successful, and after the breakout you get a retest, or sometimes there is no retest, and then you catch the wave down. So those are the continuation chart patterns, and thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Jordan. I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and for support to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.